Most people don't fail at self-improvement because they lack discipline. They fail because they make it visible too early. The moment you announce change, something subtle happens. People start watching, not to support you, to measure you. And measurement creates pressure. Pressure creates resistance. This is the part nobody tells you. Real improvement threatens the balance people are comfortable with. That's why loud self-improvement attracts quiet opposition. You don't see it at first. It comes as jokes, as doubt, as "you've changed." Not because change is bad, but because your growth forces comparison. And comparison is uncomfortable. Niccolò Machiavelli understood this long before modern psychology gave it a name. He knew that power survives best when it grows unnoticed. When improvement is public, failure becomes visible. And visible failure damages credibility. But when improvement is silent, failure becomes private. Private failure is useful. It teaches. It refines. It doesn't weaken your position. This is why silence protects momentum. Most people crave acknowledgement before results. They want credit for effort. But effort isn't what earns respect. Outcomes do. And outcomes speak louder when no one saw them coming. Think about how people treat someone who suddenly becomes competent. They don't question the process. They accept the result. But when people watch you becoming competent, they question every step. Silence skips that phase. There's another reason silent improvement works. It removes interference. When people know your goals, they feel entitled to comment, to advise, to doubt, to compare. Most of that advice isn't guidance. It's projection. Silence keeps other people's limitations out of your process. This isn't isolation. It's insulation. You're not hiding. You're protecting the work before it's stable. Because early growth is fragile. Expose it too soon, and it collapses under expectation. Now here's the uncomfortable truth. People don't resist your growth because they hate you. They resist because your improvement changes the hierarchy. Every environment has an unspoken structure. Roles are assigned quietly. When you improve silently, you stop fitting the role people assigned you. And systems don't like unpredictability. So they test you. They push boundaries. They see if you'll explain. Explanation is the signal they're looking for. Because explanation restores familiarity. And familiarity restores control. Silence denies them that access. When you don't explain, people are forced to adjust. They either rise to meet you or fall away. Both outcomes are useful. Silence becomes a filter. It removes people who only respected your availability, not your value. This is why silence feels lonely at first. Not because you're losing people, because you're losing dependency. And dependency is mistaken for connection. Machiavelli warned that dependence is the most dangerous position. Because the moment you depend on approval, you surrender leverage. Silent improvement removes that dependency. You stop seeking validation. You start building certainty. Certainty doesn't announce itself. It shows up in posture, in pace, in restraint. People feel it before they understand it. And what people feel but don't understand, they respect cautiously. There's a stage where silence becomes even more important. When results start showing, this is where most people make the final mistake. They explain the journey. They reveal the struggle. They narrate the transformation. They want recognition, but recognition invites familiarity, and familiarity erodes authority. Power doesn't need explanation. It needs consistency. When your behavior stays aligned long enough, people stop questioning it. They stop testing. They stop pushing. Not because you demanded respect, but because your presence became stable. Stable things don't get challenged. They get accommodated. This is the difference between improvement and power. Improvement is change. Power is permanence. Silence is what bridges the two. If you want to improve and stay respected, don't document the process. Don't announce discipline. Don't explain boundaries. Let people discover your growth after it's no longer fragile, after it no longer needs defense. Because the strongest position you can reach is this: when your progress is undeniable, your discipline is consistent, and your silence makes replacement impossible.